Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this palette right here. I have been waiting to get my hands on this for so long. This is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm pretty sure you've seen it everywhere. This is such a pretty palette, like the colours in it. It's just honestly so pretty. The only down thing I could say about this palette is there is a lot of fallout, and I have decided to do my foundation before I actually did the eyeshadow, which I know is a bad idea, but if you are going to get this palette or use this palette, I recommend not putting anything on your face first, doing your eyes and then going to face, because there is a lot of fallout in this product. I hope you enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But yes, this is the palette and let's get straight into it. So first I'm going in with the shade Eden with a Sephora brush, and this is quite a big brush. It's a very fluffy brush, and just use that as a transition shade and just put that through your transition. Then we go on with Amber, and we are using the 224, I'm pretty sure it is, by Zoeva, and we're just putting that right under that transition shade. It's more darker colour. Then obviously blending that all out with that fluffy Sephora brush that we used before. And then going with that OUD colour, don't know how to say it, with a more defined pencil brush by Zoeva. I don't remember the name on top of my head, but yeah, that's just use that and use that in the outer corner and then blend it out with that Sephora brush again. Then we go in with Retrograde with a flat brush, and I did use I did try to wet it, but it didn't really work like that, so I went in with my hands, as you can see, and it just turns out to be so much better with that. Then using that same pencil brush again and doing exactly what I did before, and I am going to basically pencil, and I'm going to put that in and out, as you can see, just to make it a bit like of a halo, but not too much of a halo, and then just that blend it out again like before, with that same Sephora brush. Then we go in with that cashmere colour and we just put that in the inner tear duct and then blend it out again. And then using the OUD and the Amber brush, we are using this pencil brush by Sephora as well, and we are just putting that under the eyes to just define the whole look again. Blend it out again and then use that Desert Sand colour for under the eyebrow. And then using my Essence Lash Princess mascara. I love this thing. I've done a video on it, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave that in the description box. And then we've got the Cara lashes. These lashes are so pretty. They just go with every look. And then going in with my MAC Well lip pencil, my favourite lip pencil ever. And this MAC lip gloss, it is so pretty, and that is the look. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.